Let's open it. What's in there? What's in there? Look, look. It's an old monkey. You remember this monkey? You smelling it? Get it. You smell your cousins? Get it. You got your old monkey. You got your old monkey, Toonie. Toonie. Oh boy. Hey, hey. You got it. Oh boy. You're having a field day. Say thank you. Thank you. Oh God.